here.
Right, before we took a break, we were talking about some of the issues that you would have if you returned to work, and it was to some degree we're kind of going through some of the your um, broad brush, more big picture issues that you have. I want to take some time now and repeat some questions or ask questions that I'll repeat in other interviews so that we have some overall consistency from person to person in this project. I have a series of symptoms that I understand because I've worked with this because it's published in books. So let's talk about the cognitive problems that you have. You have problems with forgetfulness now, and you've talked about that a little bit. But how would you describe the change in your ability to remember things before your accident and now?
Well, I think it's actually that's one of the biggest challenges with just kind of my relationships in general is that I remember everything about my life before my accident. Like, and I experienced so many things that I knew myself very well, like my abilities and who I was, to the degree that actually now when something comes up and I have an opportunity to do something and I want to do it, I remember that I know how to do that and I want to do that and I can do that, but I forget that I can't anymore. So I don't remember. I struggle with just regular daily memory. Like if I always use the example, if I've eaten today, like I've specifically eaten today, or if I just remember that I ate yesterday, what I ate. Like I remember making breakfast, but I will question whether or not that was today, or if that was yesterday that I made breakfast and not today.
Do you feel
Um, Go ahead.